Apparently we're giving this ship right away. I think our captain's scared. He could have made it. Mountains behind there. PT. Right there, and then over there you can kind of see the lighthouse a little bit. Fort Worden. There's Shoal Blanc. Hope we have some good waves here. Bye.